Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox our haul from Tokyo Station. Let's do it. So I bought two cars and two containers. This one, and this one. So let's start with this one first. This is a Mini GT LB Works Nissan GTR Red. And yeah, this is the last one of their stock, and it's a display, that's why it's open already, but I have no problem with that because it's in a good condition and it's well kept on the display. Again, thanks again to Stephen, always pleasure to meet you. And yeah, nice TSM model. Nice decals, Liberty Walk. Nice rear wheels. Nice. Next one will be this Mini GT HKS Toyota GR Supra 2020 Tokyo Auto Salon version. It says here HKS. Mini GT on the other side. Whoa. Nice. You see? Because there are two Supra there. One is black one and this one. I choose this one because this is what I'm expecting. And my expectations are met. Dang. Nice. Nice wheels. Decals are awesome too. Nice. Here you are. So the next one will be this one. It's Tarmac Works Container HKS. It's a Tarmac Works and it's a collaboration model by HKS. And actually you can put the car inside as shown on the description in the back. So the container one is like that. It has a container side door panel, transparent door panel, removable base plate. Oh, let me see. No, you cannot put this one there. Maybe only Tarmac Works cars can be put, but it's okay. Let's see. Let's open it. There you are. There are two. This is stackable actually. You can stack it like that, and then you're gonna have like a container style display. Because these have grooves that you can interlock each of them, and then it will be nice. So let's take a look at this one first. These are the clear. Oh, there's only one clear. It's supposed to be too clear. So this is one, and this is another one, but this one is not clear. Let's see, maybe it's inside. Interesting. Oh, okay. So the clear is right there for the HKS. So it was on the other side. It's okay. So it's gonna be like this, like that. So if you want to change it, you can do like that, and you can do like that. Let's try putting one car if it will fit. Yes. Nice. So the HKS car. The only problem is how you're gonna screw it. Doesn't have a screw to put on. Because this space is removable, actually. You can remove it. Yeah. It's a nice base. You can put it like that. I think we need to figure out how to mount it. Maybe we're gonna put some screws inside. Yeah. And this one. Okay. Interesting. So this one has a base too, like this. So nice. So I have 3 containers now. One is a Porsche JPS edition, and these 3. So 3 total. So yeah, that's it for this haul. If you want to visit Tokyo Station, it's on Kennedy Road, Unionville. I'll be posting their website on the description, the address, and store hours. If you want to contact them, if you want to go there or visit their website, lots of selections. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share it, please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing if you already did. Appreciate you guys, and more to come. See you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.